Okay. So let's discuss today 5 variable K-map. Okay, 5 variable K-map. So before going to 5 variable K-map, okay, uh, just make a note of it. If for a 3 variable scenario, okay, right, if you have ones in all cells, okay, so let's say this is A, this is BC. So what will be the expression of F? You can say if all the cells are filled with 1, okay, this is 0 1, okay, this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, right? The function f will be equal to 1. Okay, always remember. So if all the cells are filled by 1 in a sum of product minimization, right? That means what? You have all the terms in f. Okay, so f, you have all the terms like a complement, b complement, c complement. Okay, then a complement, 0, this is 0 1. Okay, then 0 1 0. Okay, 0 1 0, then 0 1 1, right? So if you have this type of expression, all values are 1 means what? Plus a complement bc plus, okay, you have a b complement c complement, okay, a b complement c plus a b c complement plus a b c, right? If this is the expression given, then we will be getting this K map, right? So the minimized expression will be, this is the minimized expression. Okay, minimized sum of product, okay, some SOP expression, it will be 1. Okay, similarly if in the four variable scenario also, if you have 1 in all the cells, the answer will be 1. Okay, so let's move today to 5 variable K map. Okay, so let's learn today 5 variable K map. 5 variable K map. And let's say we have 5 variables called as A, B, C, D, and E, right? So if you have 5 variables, how many cells you require? 2 power 5.
5.
Okay, so 2 power 5 is how much?
32.
32. Okay, 32 cells are required. So 32 cells, how we solve this type of problem? 5 variable, let's see. Okay, so we will be drawing 16 cells like this. Okay, okay, so 16 cells, right? So you have here, let me take BC and DE, right? This I am finding for A is equal to 0. Okay, this 16 cells are there for A is equal to 0. Similarly, we will have another 16 cells. Right. Okay, we have another 16 cells. The same. We will take BC here, DE here, and this is for A is equal to 1. Okay, this is for A is equal to 1. So this 16 and this 16, total it is 32. Okay, total it is 32, right? So let's say one, let's find out the mean term values. Okay, A is equal to 0, and this is say BC. Okay, 0 0. 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Similarly, this is also 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. So what will be the first mean term here? Okay, what will be the first mean term? A0, B0, C0, DE0 0. Okay, so all five are zeros. So this is small m0, right? This is small m0, right? So you will have small m1, you will have small m2. Okay, this is m3, right? This is m4, m5, m7, m6, right? Then you will have m8, m9. Okay, okay, 11. So this is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15, right? M15. Similarly, here what you will have? 1 all 4 zeros means what? You will have M16. Okay, M17, 18. Sorry, this is 18. This is 19. So you will be having 20, 21, 23. This is 22. Then you will have 24, 25, 27, M26. This is M28, M29, M30, M31. Right? These are the main terms. So in this way we have to fill. Right? So 16 terms here and 16 terms here. Okay, total 32. This is for a equal to 0. This is for a equal to 1. So in question it will be given to you. Let's say question is given. Okay. So minimize. Okay. This is given small m of 0, 2, 4, okay, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, then let's say 13, 14, okay, and let me write 9, okay, 9, 11, skip 11, we'll take 10, okay, 9, 10, then here 16, okay, so I'm writing randomly 16, then 18, 16, you have 18, okay, then you have 20, 22, okay, 30, 26, okay, 29, okay, this much. So how to do? These are the min terms given and you are asked to minimize this. So from this expression, it is evident that this is a 5-variable K map, right? So the last value you can see it is 30, okay, which is less than equal to 31. So it is a 5-variable K map. Now let's substitute this in the K map and see how we can minimize this. Okay, let's substitute this in K map and I will tell how to minimize this, right? So let's take the first K map. Right, then 2, 3, okay, this is 1 and okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is another one, right? This is for a is equal to 0, this is for a is equal to 1, right? This is for a equal to 1. So I will take BC DE, here also BC DE, right? Now what min terms are given? Okay, let's have a look. Okay, now you can say min terms are given at 0 to, I will substitute the value. Okay, 0 means here it is 1, okay, then 2, here it is 1, then 4, okay, this 1, then 6, okay, then you have 9, okay, then you have 9, then you have 10, okay, this is 10, okay, let's include 14 also here, okay, include a 14 here, right? So I'm taking the 14, right? Then 16, okay, 16 is this, then 18 is this, okay, then 20, 22, this is 20, this is 22, then 26, 29, this is 29, 26, 30, this is 30, okay, so this is given, right? This is given. Now how to make a group? Okay, now how to make a group? This is the thing given, right? How to make a group? So see, you can put this, okay, logically you think, put this green color K map, okay, 4-variable K map on top over this brown one, right? So what are the terms common here? You can see the common terms will be, I don't know whether I will be able to copy this or not. Okay. So okay. So I have copied this. Let's see. No, it didn't copy properly. Okay, leave it. Okay, so you think, right? So taking another color pen, right? So what we can make this last one as one group. Okay, this four, okay, and this four can be grouped together. Okay, this four and this four can be grouped together as a set of 8 elements. Okay, as a set of 8 elements, right? What is common over here? This is what, uh, d bar, e bar. This is d bar e. This is de. This is de complement. Okay, so this is same d bar e bar, then d bar e. This is de. This is d e complement, right? So the last one you can group as a group of 8 ones. Okay, so what will be the answer for that? What is common in these two? What variables are common? Say, what variables are common?
D E bar.
D e bar and
D bar E.
so let's write f is equal to, if 8 elements are taken together. Okay, if 8 elements are taken together. Okay, so what common term we will get? D e complement. Okay, isn't it? D e complement. Irrespective of value of a, okay, we got D e complement. Then let's group the next set of one. Okay, so these two and these two can be grouped. Okay, these two and these two can be grouped. So what is common in these two?
D bar, E bar.
D bar E bar.
D complement, E complement is common, right? Then we have these single ones here. Okay, when we have these single ones here, it is not overlapping with, not, or not making set with anyone. Okay, so let me do little modification in the question. Okay, I would like to add one more term. See this 31. Okay, so let me add 31 also here. Okay, so I'm adding 31 also, right? So what you'll get, you will get a 1 here. Okay, yes. Now you say what things can be taken as common. This can be taken as common, only this, right? Only this can be taken as common. So what will be the answer for this?
A, sir.
A is common. And
E, sir.
E. What about this? Here you have B complement, C complement, you have B complement C, you have BC, okay, you have BC complement. Now tell what is common. A is equal to 1 is common in both of this, okay. Then BC also common, isn't it? Then you have E common, right? Understand? You have this also common, right? BC also common
Yes, sir.
and E also common. So we will be getting ABCE, okay, for this term, right? Then this one is single, okay, this one is single, and for this single one, what we can write? For the single one, what we can write?
A bar, B, C bar, D bar, E.
This is A bar, okay, A bar,
B C bar.
then B C bar,
D bar E.
D bar, okay. So if you make a group of single element, right, you will be having all 5 variables. Group of 2 will have 4 variables, okay. Group of 4 will have how many variables? This green color line, okay, this green color, it should have 3 variables, but we have written only 2, so there is some error here. Let's rectify it, okay.
B bar.
So P bar is also common, right? Group of 4 will have 3 variables, group of 8 will have 2 variables, okay. Group of 16 will have 1 variable, okay. Group of 16 will have 1 variable, either A or A complement, right? And group of 32, the answer will be 1, right? So this is our reduced expression. This is our reduced expression, okay. Let's try with another example, okay, so that it will be clear to you. I'm drawing the structure, okay. Then 2, 3, 4, okay. You have this, and you have another structure here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. And it is given 1, 1, 1, okay. Okay, right. Now let's make a group. This is A is equal to 0. For this A is equal to 1, you have BC, DE. Here also you have BC, DE. Okay. So some expression was given. So I have substituted the value here. Now tell me what will be the reduced expression. Okay. What will be the reduced expression? So we can make this as a group. Okay. And this is a group. So what is common in these two? What is common in these two? It's a group of 16. Okay, 8 and 8, group of 16. So what will be common in these two?
D.
D, sir.
This is DE, this is DE complement. Okay, this is DE, this is DE complement. So what is common?
D.
And you can see this is BC complement, BC complement, BC, and B complement C. Sorry, this is B complement C. BC. Last one is BC complement. Right. So what is common here?
D.
What will only D, right? Only D. Then what set we can make? You can take this together and take this together. What will be the answer? 4 ones together. Okay. So 4 ones taken together. What is common? What is common? BC complement is common. Along with that, what is common?
E, sir.
This is D
D bar.
complement. Then D
D
complement.
bar E. D bar is common.
So B C complement is common and D bar is common. Okay. Right. Then what other group we can make? This can be made as a group and this can be made as a group. A group of 4, right? A group of 4. So what you will get? What is common there? B complement C. Then what else is common?
D bar.
D bar is common. Okay. D bar is common. Then you have a single term left. Okay. You have a single term left. Right. So what will be the answer for the single term? This is A complement, right? B complement, C complement, D complement, right? So this will be the reduced expression. Okay, this will be the reduced expression. So this first term is it's D. Okay, first term is D, right? This is D. Okay, this is D. Right. So this is the answer. So 5 variable K map, if it is given, you should be in a position to solve. Right. So let's take down one more question.
Sir,
Yes, tell.
sir, that BC row is there, no, sir, last row. You took
Mhm.
2 as common, no? Sir, we can take 4 as common, no, sir?
This one,
Yes, sir.
we have taken 4 as common.
No, sir, that extended, if we take that last 2 also, 1 is there, no, sir?
Yes, 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 yes. Okay.
We can take it, no?
Right. Yes, you are right. Okay. So what we can do is, okay, okay, let's modify this. Okay, as per your. Thank you for pointing out. We can take this 4 as common. We should take this 4 as common. Okay, not that 2. Because here also the same 4 are available. Okay. And for this also you can take this 4 and this 4 as common. Okay. This 4 is common. Right. So what will be the expression?
BC bar.
Will be D. Okay. And for uh, BC bar. Okay. These are 8 terms taken together. Okay. So 8 terms taken together. What will be the answer? Eight terms taken together. What will be the answer? 448
bar.
BC bar.
Sir, only BC bar is common.
Yes. Just a minute. Got stuck. Yes. So it will be BC bar, and for this one it will be
B bar
B
C.
bar C. Okay. Then here, okay, this can be taken with this. Okay. Right. Not single. Okay. I forget to make it a group. Okay. Then what you will have? This is D complement, E complement, B complement, A complement. Okay. This is A complement, and you will have B complement. You will have D complement and E complement. Right. 4 terms. Okay. So it's correct. So this is wrong. Okay. This is wrong. Okay. So we should follow this approach. Right. Always try to make the larger group only. Okay. Right. So I guess in the earlier one also we have done some sort of error. Let's find out. Okay. No, I guess we are correct here. Okay. This is single one, not forming group with anyone. Okay. Right. So this is correct.
No, sir. The second box, sir.
Yeah.
You didn't
Second.
come pink color one, sir. You didn't combine it with the last one, sir.
This one, right?
No, sir. The above question, sir.
Above question.
So the pink circle, sir. You circled the pink one, sir.
Yes. Pink circle. These two are one group. 3 we cannot combine, right? It should be 2 power something. Either a group of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, so these two are taken as the group. It's correct. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So here we are correct. The first question. Okay. So this is also okay. Right? Follow the second approach. Okay, this one.
Sir, in the above question,
Hmm.
we can take as 4 no, sir.
Which one? Second question.
First question, sir.
Now, first question. What we can take? Say?
Uh,
We have
the
taken this sky color as a group of 8. Okay, group of 8. Then this green color as group of 4. This 2 and this 2. Okay,
yes, sir.
and this pink color is group of 2 only, right? In the
Sir,
second is equal to 1. Yes.
In that B0 can't we take these 3 from A equal to 1 and 1 from A equal to 0, sir?
In A equal to 0, you have a 1 here.
No, in the same BC row, sir.
In BC row, you don't have any 1s right here.
Yes, sir. This one and these 3, sir. From A equal to 1.
This one.
Yes, sir.
How you can take? No.
Okay.
You just take this green color table and put it above this. Okay. Then think. Okay,
Okay,
this
sir.
table stacked over the other. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Look it from around all possible corners. Okay, from any corner, if it is making a group of 2, 4, 8, 16 or all 32, it's okay for us. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So below these two, there is nothing here. Okay, so this will form a group of 2 only, right? I guess it's clear to all of you that it's Let's take one more example. Okay. Okay, and you have one here, one here. Okay. Yes. Now see what possible groups we can make. Okay. So what possible groups we can make? This is for a equal to 0. This is for a equal to 1. Right? We can make here, okay, one group, this and this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? So what will be the answer? This is BC, DE, BC, DE. Okay. So this is group of 8. Okay, group of 8. So what is common over here? So this is B complement C. This is BC. So C is common, and this is D complement E complement and DE complement. Right? So what is common? C is common and
E complement, sir.
E complement is common. Right? Next, you can make a group of this one, right? This one and this one taken together. It is one below the other. Okay, a group of 2. Understand? This orange color and this orange color. They will form a group of 2, right? This is one below the other.
One is
One-
present, no sir. We can take 2 as common, 4 as common, sir.
Yeah. So 4 is common, right? Correct. So one below the other. Like this also you can take this one below the other. Okay, one below the other. Then what you will get? What terms will be common? So 4 elements
These two
together
together.
taken. So 4 elements taken together. So you will have, this is what, D complement E. Okay. So D complement is common. So BC is common along with the D complement is common. Okay. Similarly, we can take this as one group and this as another group. Okay. A group of 4. So what you will find common? B complement is common. Then D complement, E complement is common. Right? This will be the reduced expression. Okay. So in this way, 5 variable K map we can reduce to the minimized sum of product expression. Okay, sum of product expressions. Right. So we'll stop here. Just go through this class again. Okay, next class we'll discuss some more aspects of 5 variable and 6 variable K map. Okay. Thank you.